If you're looking to power household items directly from your vehicle, this 240W power inverter is designed to deliver reliable performance. It converts your vehicle's power into a stable 120 volts AC output, making it easy to use everyday electronics wherever you are. Equipped with one standard 120 volts AC outlet and two USB charging ports sharing 3.1A, this inverter lets you charge multiple devices at once. Whether it's your laptop, phone, or small appliances, you get versatile options without needing extra adapters. The inverter runs cool thanks to its high-speed built-in fan, which ensures consistent operation even during extended use. This feature helps prevent overheating and keeps your devices running smoothly without interruptions. Safety is a priority with built-in protections against overloads, short circuits, overheating, and abnormal voltage levels. The unit even shuts down automatically if it detects temperatures outside the safe operating range, giving you peace of mind on every trip. Customers across the United States praise its performance, especially when paired with MotoMaster power inverters. One user highlighted how well it worked with the MotoMaster Eliminator 2000W and 3000W models, calling it a perfect match for their power needs. If you want a dependable power inverter that combines convenience with safety, this model is worth considering. It handles your essential devices efficiently while guarding against common electrical risks. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your vehicle's power capabilities. With its combination of AC and USB outputs plus robust safety features, it's a practical solution for anyone needing portable, reliable power on the road. In summary, this 240W power inverter offers what matters most: consistent power delivery, multiple charging options, and built-in safeguards. It's an easy way to keep your devices charged and ready, no matter where your journey takes you.